Have you ever wondered if you can make over $450 every single day just by typing names online? Wouldn't that be great? We're going to be showing you how that's going to work. If you were to type names like Jacob, Michael, or Chris, this is a once in a blue moon opportunity that you definitely don't want to miss. If you were to type in one page of names, you're going to get paid $15. If you type in 10 pages of names, you're going to make $150. If you type in 15 pages of names, then you're going to earn $225. And if you type in 40 pages of names, then you're going to earn $600. And that's all in a day's work. The great thing about today's method is that the possibilities are endless. You can type as many pages as you possibly can and make just as much money as you possibly can as well. You can do today's method on your phone, your computer, or your tablet. It doesn't really matter. It's also 100% free, it's available worldwide, and it won't require any skills or experience, which just makes it 10 times better. Somewhere along today's video, we are going to be sharing a bonus tip that's going to help you make even more money than we initially promised you. We are going to be taking you through this whole process so that you won't get lost or confused. So make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. First things first, check this out. Using this calculator, you can see how much money you can make if you were to type a certain number of names in a certain number of pages. Just so you have something to look forward to. Now, the minimum pay per word would be 5 cents, and if you multiply that by 300 words, then you can make $15. You can go beyond 300 words, of course, that's completely up to you. But typing in 300 names will literally only take you 10 minutes at the most, and then you're gonna have $15 already. Imagine if you work for an hour or 2 hours, you could be making $600 to $1,000, which is absolutely insane. Now take a look at this sample project that we have right here. As you can see, we have it entitled as Project 1. You have the word count, which is 300 words, then the payment per word, which is 5 cents, and then the total amount to be paid, which is $15. And that is all, again, in a day's work only. And all you had to do was type in 300 words, which is just absolutely amazing. Now, you can make even more in a day if you're capable, and you can do this over and over again. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. So our website for today is called Talentdesire.com, and this is how their website looks like. And as you can see, your dream career starts now. Work with popular brands and earn money online from home without investing a dime. How it works is you explore jobs, you get hired, you start work, and finally you collect your earnings. Now, there are a lot of jobs offered on this platform, as you can see, but we are going to be focusing on online typing jobs. And as you can read on here, it says that you can earn up to $45 to $90 or more every single day. As your skills and experience grow, so will your bank balance. So go ahead and click on online typing jobs, and as you can see, this particular job can pay you up to $27,000 and even more every year. That means almost $3,000 every single month. Now, once you scroll down, you're going to see that the payment rates vary with you and your expertise in typing. So for beginners, you get paid $3 every 300 words. For intermediate, it's $3.60 per 300 words. For professional, it's $4.50 per 300 words. And for experts, it's $6 every 300 words. Now, even if you're just typing as a beginner, you can still make pretty good money, but it's obviously so much better if you are an expert or you have a good level in typing. And this is where our first bonus tip comes in. We want you to open up Ratatype.com, and this is how the website should look like once you're on it. Basically, on this website is where you can take a free typing test, and to finally begin, just click on this yellow button right here that says Start Typing Now, and that is going to take you to this page where you can start typing on your computer or even just on your phone. After you take the test, you can actually claim a typing certificate with your results. Don't worry, the certificate and the test itself is completely free, so make sure that you do this or else you might not get accepted, and you might even get a higher payment rate than a beginner if you do really well on this test. This is our ultimate tip because this can be the reason for a much higher income and higher chances of being accepted immediately, so make sure you don't skip this step, or you might as well just not try out today's method at all. Now, your accuracy should be at 98 to 99% to be able to pass and get accepted, so make sure that you watch out for that. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Now we're going to show you guys a real life example of taking the 1 minute test and getting the results. First, I'm typing this, then as you can see, a short result will come out. How many words I can type per minute and up to how many percent above I am amongst the rest. If you're not up to 98 and 99, don't worry because you can always try again for completely free. But you obviously want a certificate, so we are going to teach you how you can get that. So go ahead and sign up for a free account by clicking on this button right here, and then just filling up all of the information being asked of you. And then once you've filled this up, go ahead and click on sign up, and then you can finally take a more formal test and have a real certificate of your results show up just like this one on our screen. And this is exactly what we need. To download this on your computer, you can just click on the preview and then it'll have a used version open up. From there, you can just right click on it and select on Save Image As, and then that should download straight into your computer, hassle free. Now back to Talentdesire.com, wherein we're going to finally begin the application process. We should be back to the page where we left off. Then you're going to scroll down to the most bottom part of the page, and then just click on the Apply Now button, and then you should be taken to here. Then you're going to click on step number 1's link. Then you're going to be taken to another page, and you're going to want to click on the online application form, and then another page, and then just click on this, and boom, here's the whole form finally, and all you need to do is fill up the entire thing accordingly, and as soon as that's all completed, all you need to do is click on submit, and just like that, you're going to start accepting projects just like this into your email account and make thousands of dollars every month. And that is basically everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.